Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. Welcome back to the new session, and today we get some new information, and as usual we learn German and learn vocabulary. So let's begin with today's topic. You can see here ständig am Handy. Was hinter Pubing steckt. Pubing. Pubing, what does it mean? There are so many people, as you can see here, both are just on mobile phone. Sie benutzen Handy. They think that they can talk, they can converse, and they can use mobile phone all together, multitasker. Is it right? Study says something about them. What is phobing actually? From where does this word come from? We learn all these things in this small article. It is available on the online news portal also. You can find out ZDF heute. So ständig am Handy, continuously on mobile phone. Ständig means continuously. Ständig, it is very good word. Continuously, ständig am Handy, continuously on mobile. Was hinter Pubing steckt? What is hidden behind Pubing? Stecken means to hide. Stecken, okay? Stecken. Stecken. Behind. Hinter means behind. Pubing. These are two words. Pubing. Okay, we'll find out the composition of these two words. Move on. Okay, now this is the definition of Pubing. What does it mean? Menschen, die selbst puben, denken oft, dass sie bei der Telefonnutzung positive Aufsicht haben. So actually Pubing means people who use telephone, who use mobile phone a lot. Okay, so this is a very common but new word for that, Pubing. So puben, mention people who self think about Pubing that by the telephone nutzung, during the use of telephone, nutzung means use of telephone, they have positive Absicht, they have positive intention. Suppose somebody is sitting in front of you, he or she would like to talk and you are on your mobile phone. How does that another person feel? And what do you think about yourself? Oh, I don't have any wrong intention. Absicht is positive. My intention is clear, positive. I am talking to you. Yes, please carry on. I am listening to you. But you are on mobile. So, puben. Second, what they think, besser im multitasking sind. So, these people, selbst, okay, those who do this thing, they think that they are multitasker. They are better multitasker. They can finish more than three works together, and they can be on your mobile and they can talk, they can do any other task also. They are multitasker. So dimension, die Selbstpuben, those who are self-puben means people who use mobile phone a lot. They think about themselves that they can do multitasking better, and they have positive intention while using telephone. Telephone nutzung, mobile telephone nutzung. Nutzung means use. This is the verb nutzen. Nutzen means to use. We also say benutzen. Nutzen, benutzen means to use. Another word is verwenden. Verwenden means also use. So these are synonyms. You can note down this vocabulary. Multitasking is English word that you already know. Multitasking. Absicht means intention. De-Absicht, intention. Intentions. You have intention in your mind. You want to do something. That is your Absicht, De-Absicht. Ich habe gute Absicht. Ich habe schlechte Absicht. Intention can be good, intention can be bad. Positive intention, negative intention. Okay, denken, you know, to think. Selbst means self. These people think about themselves. By is here preposition by der, dative preposition. So D changes into der. Alright, so we have seen all the words. Now move on. Remember, you can join us every day live, okay, and you can learn German with us live. So please subscribe the channel and follow us on Telegram. Links are given below. Next, what is written? Pubing beschreibt das Verhalten, ein Smartphone zu nutzen, während man in einer direkten sozialen Interaktion mit Mitmenschen ist. So Pubing beschreibt means explain that it's a type of behavior. Das Verhalten means it's a type of behavior. A smartphone to use the Smartphone, während during man in einer direkt sozialen Interaction with other people. Means somebody is having a social interaction, means physical one-to-one interaction, and on other hand he is also using mobile phone. That is called pubbing. Okay, interaction plus mobile phone, use of mobile phone. Okay, both together, that is called pubbing. Zum Beispiel im Gesprächen oder beim gemeinsamen Essen. Suppose you are having conversation or you are having meal together. You are eating something with your friend, your colleague, your relatives together. But you are on your mobile phone simultaneously, gleichzeitig, at the same time you are doing both the activities. So that is called pubbing. Das Wort kommt aus dem Englischen und setzt sich aus den Wörtern Phone und Snoobing zusammen. Oh, it's a combination of two words, telephone and snoobing. It's English word. Okay, the word comes from English and setzt sich aus den Wörtern, and it's composite word. It's a mixture of two words, phone plus snoobing. Snoobing plus phone, that called pubbing. Okay, phone and snoobing. You can see phone, ph we have taken from phone, and snoobing, u-double-b, snoobing. So it's a mixture of two words. Okay, that is called pubbing. So pubbing, beschreibt means explain. Pubbing, explain. The Verhalten means behavior. So it's a type of behavior. It's a type of behavior where person is engaging in a physical talk, or person is having a lunch together, meal together, and simultaneously that person is also on the phone. That is called pubbing. Nutzen, we have seen während means on other hand. Während also means during or other hand or whereas. Direct social interaction, Interaktion. How do we read this word? Interaktion. The word end with tion, tion, not sion, Interaktion. Okay. Mitmenschen. Mitmenschen, someone who is with you, who is along with you, that is called Mitmenschen. Okay, like Mitarbeiter, someone who works with you. Mitschüler, somebody in the school who learn with you. Okay. Zum Beispiel im Gesprächen, talk, in Gesprächen, plural. Das Wort kommt aus, the word comes from English, and that we have seen, it means snoobing. So that is called pubbing. It's very interesting topic today that we have discussed. I hope you have got a lot of new words and you liked it. Please give me your feedback. How do you find today's topic? Every day we do a new topic. And now further, eine Studie. Eine Studie zu Pubbing aus dem Jahr 2020 besagt. A study says, there is a study on this pubbing in the year 2022, and it says, Menschen wissen, people know, welche negative Auswirkungen Pubbing haben kann. Die meisten machen es aber trotzdem. Study was conducted in 2022, and it says most of the people know what are the negative effect of pubbing, and trotzdem, despite of that, they do this. Means they know that okay, it has side effect, it has negative effect, and despite of that, they do this. A study says, okay, eine Studie. Studie means study, die Studie. Aus dem Jahr. The study was conducted in this year. Study from the year 2022. Besagt means say. Study says. Menschen wissen, people know, welche, which negative impact, Auswirkung, negative impact, negative effect pubbing has. But most of the people, meisten machen es aber trotzdem. Despite that, they do this. That is called pubbing. So that was our today's topic. See you in the live class tonight. Thank you so much for joining. Auf Wiedersehen. Cheers. Take care.